Good afternoon. My name is Alejandra Ramirez. I am 24 years old. I am a student pharmacy regency and I'm from Bogota. Today I'm going to detail about my lab street, which I was in Dorada Caldas. Visiting my family, it is very hot, so I only stayed 3 days. Sign I can stand the head very much. I really enjoyed the trip because I went out for a while, also went to the pool, and I was visiting the Magdalena River on a boat. We also ate a lot of fish. And my next trip, I want to the island of San Andres. I want to go to see the sea and get on a yacht and maybe mm, go diving and we like to try its typical food. I have this all main plan for my next vacation from my work, which are in the 3 months that is at October of my this year. I already have everything planned.